I want to show you around the class really fast. Here in the About This course, I have the syllabus, I have a welcome letter, some information about me, and then also an extra credit assignment for putting Canvas on your phone. When you feel like you're familiar with those things, you can actually hit this little caret button and bring this down. You can always get back to it by opening it back up, but then you can move on to week 1, and that has chapter 1 and 2 in it and some of chapter 3. The most important part of each chapter is starting with this assignments at a glance, which are at the top, and inside of there's a little checklist of everything that you should do through the week and how you should get through the course. So that checkoff list is going to be really important. The first few things that follow is I do have a video overview that goes over it's a lecture by me, not by somebody else, going over my slides for the week. And I also have my slides for the week right here under the slideshow. So if you're someone that prefers to read the slides on your own, then you can bring up the slides here and click through them. And as you click through them, that one was taking a while to load. You'll notice that I highlighted the important parts and basically bolded the important parts. I also have some videos and things like that embedded that will help you learn more about the content. So if you're better at reading it on your own, you can look at the slideshow. If you're better at listening to the video overview, I would actually do that and maybe consider playing it in the background while you're like stretching, or maybe when you're like driving, you could play it in the background or whatever to have the video overview of the class. Then here's some relevant videos that are all on the checklist for the week that I would like you to check out. And then here's your first assignment for the week, which is the footprint calculator. So the first thing you're going to do on this, it says first step, you're going to actually go to a website and calculate your ecological footprint score, and it'll just ask you some survey-like questions, and then you're going to write a short one-page paper. I don't need citations, just your thoughts about what your score is and what it meant. Once you have studied all of chapter 1 and you feel ready for it, you can go to the chapter 1 quiz, which is listed here. You can see here that you have 2 attempts and it's set to keep your highest score. So you can get to that and submit it as soon as you are ready. After you are done with your chapter 1 and 2 quizzes, you should be ready for your chapter 1 and 2 exam. And then one thing that we will do throughout the semester, and this is a semester long project, is to have a sustainability challenge goal. So some students, there's some different choices there. Like some students might say, hey, I need to take shorter showers, or I need to shut off the lights in my house better. And you're going to just log your progress a few times a week on a form. I have it in PDF form or one that you can open and make a copy in your Google Docs. But you should just log your progress as you go through the year or go through the semester, and then you will turn it in at the end and get points. You can log progress that says, hey, I didn't do very well this week, or hey, I'm going to change my goal because I wasn't sticking to that last goal, so I'm going to do try and change my focus to this other goal. That's all fine, and all the rules are there, and you will turn that in at the end of the semester. So that's what's on the docket for the first week, and then you can move on to the second week. I am really available for office hours or quick Zoom meets, so please feel free to connect with me if you need to and ask questions.